Your LinkedIn profile is the first impression you make in the professional world, and sometimes it's the difference between getting ignored and getting noticed. That's why your banner isn't just a background. It's a brand statement. It shows your confidence, your expertise, and what you stand for. I have designed this template to do exactly that for you. Key features: a clean, bold headline space that instantly communicates your value. Just below, you can state who you are. For example, strategist, consultant, creator, founder, etc. Your profile photo integrates smoothly into the banner, giving your personal brand a polished look, without distracting from your message. And your essential details, email, website, all mentioned below, so your visitors know exactly where to find you. Or if you want, you can use this bottom space to highlight your clients or achievements, etc. Here you can place your logo, or if you like, you can have call to action instead, such as book your call or appointment, etc. This template is fully editable, easy to customize. So upgrade your LinkedIn presence today. Stand out, look professional, and let your banner speak before you even say a word. Available now on Etsy and Patreon. Links are available in the description. Thanks for watching.